Intact Insurance Canada app. The pros, the cons. The Intact Insurance Canada app is more than a digital card, it's a full-service mobile tool for policyholders, but most people get this wrong if they think it's only for emergencies. The app allows users to manage policies, pay premiums and file claims directly from their phone. On the pros side, you can view and update policy details, access digital documents, and make payments quickly. Claims submission is straightforward with photo uploads and real-time tracking. The app also offers roadside assistance requests and notifications for policy changes. Users appreciate the intuitive interface, fast performance, and ease of navigation. On the cons side, some users experience occasional glitches or delays in claims processing. Advanced features like personalized premium insights or detailed coverage analytics are limited. Offline access is minimal, requiring internet connectivity for full functionality. In conclusion, the Intact Insurance Canada app delivers convenience, reliable claims tracking, and easy policy management. While it lacks advanced analytics, it remains a user-friendly solution for Canadian drivers seeking mobile-first insurance management.